In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete account in Hostinger. If you've decided that you no longer want to keep your Hostinger account, this process is fairly simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Before you begin, make sure you're already signed into your account so you can access the settings we need. Once you're on your Hostinger dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the account menu. This menu gives you access to your personal account settings and other account-related options. From the menu that appears, click on Account Information. This is the section where Hostinger stores the main details connected to your account. After opening it, take a moment to review the page so you know you're in the right place. Next, scroll down through the account information page until you find the Delete Account option. It may appear closer to the bottom, so keep scrolling until you see it clearly. Once you find it, click Delete Account to begin the removal process. At this point, Hostinger will usually ask you to confirm your decision. This is an important part of the process because deleting an account is typically permanent. Read the confirmation message carefully so you understand what will happen after the account is removed. If you're sure you want to continue, click the confirmation option to finalize the deletion. After you confirm, your account deletion request should be submitted or completed, depending on how Hostinger currently handles account removals. If the platform gives you any final notice or status message, make sure to read it so you know whether any additional waiting period applies. One helpful tip is to make sure you no longer need anything connected to the account before deleting it. If there are services, files, billing details, or settings you may want later, it's a good idea to review those first. That can help you avoid losing access to something important once the account is gone. And that's it. To delete your Hostinger account, click the profile icon in the top right, open Account Information, scroll down to Delete Account, and then confirm your choice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.